Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already need an Apple ID and a device on the same Wi-Fi network. If you don't, create an Apple ID now, use your email and set a strong password. Once done, sign into iCloud on your device so purchases and subscriptions sync. Make sure your device's OS is updated. This avoids compatibility errors during setup. You'll also want a valid payment method added in Wallet or Settings, so subscriptions like Apple TV Plus can be activated without interruptions. Open the Apple TV app and tap Sign In. You can choose to use this device or get a code to enter at TV. Apple.com. If prompted, select Use Device to sign in with your Apple ID already on the iPhone or iPad. This is faster and avoids typing. Otherwise, copy the code into the shown web page and approve the sign-in on your trusted device. Once authenticated, you can browse Apple TV Plus trials and channel subscriptions. Make sure to review payment and region settings before continuing. After signing in, pick Apple TV Plus or desired channels and confirm the subscription. Read billing dates and trial lengths before accepting. You'll be asked to verify your payment method, update it in settings if needed, then start watching. If playback stalls or purchases don't appear, sign out of the Apple TV app and sign back in to force a sync. Reboot the device and check network connectivity next. If problems persist, reset the Apple TV app or update the device software to resolve lingering authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.